Imagine earning money while relaxing at home. The stock market works like a marketplace, but instead of products, people trade pieces of companies. When companies need money to grow, they break themselves into smaller ownership pieces. Those small pieces are called shares, tiny slices of a giant pie. Big companies are worth trillions of dollars, divided into billions of small parts. When you buy just one slice, you officially become a part owner. You don't need to be wealthy to start. Even a small amount gives you ownership. If the company grows, your slice grows in value too. If the company struggles, your slice can lose value. That's the core idea: ownership. This opportunity isn't just for the rich, it's for everyday people. Plant a small investment today, and over time, it can grow through compounding. Even a tiny start can create a powerful future. The U.S. stock market has become one of the most powerful wealth-building systems ever created. Step by step, investors climb higher over time. It connects people across the country and the world. Behind the scenes, a powerful financial engine keeps everything moving. And it all begins with one decision: to look up and start. Understanding how it works gives you confidence. Shares are bought and sold every single day. This trading happens on major stock exchanges. Today, it's all digital, just a tap on your screen. So now the question is, are you ready to begin?